Hey, as we see here, our starting lineup for the Wolves, we have number 10, C. Blackwell. We have number 0, C. Montgomery. We have number 1, Jay Burton. Number 9, Emmanuel Williams. And number 20, we got Amir. And you see the game's already going. And you see for the Reds starting lineup, number 11, D. Marby. Number 3, D. Harrison for Central International. Number 0, Jay Ellis. And number 5, Jay Williams. And as you see, the game is already on place. So right now, we're just going to talk a little bit about the game. Looks like no one has scored yet. Caleb won the tap. Number 0 for the Wolves. So right now, we have Jalen Burton bringing the ball up. Right now we're going to see what setup they're going to run here. Okay. Let's see Blackwell with the ball. He passes to Jalen Burton. Jay Burton takes the 3, misses. Good rebound by Amir. Nope, that was by C. Blackwell with the rebound. Turnover. Okay, here comes Central International. Number 3 bringing the ball up, and he turns it over himself. Amir goes down the middle, misses the layup. All right, here we go. Let's see what the next set we're going to run here. Nice little pass, backdoor cut. Head fake, goes up. And 1. And you got to keep your feet on the ground. But it looks like the Wolves lost number 3 on the backdoor cut. And that was D. Harrison. Right now, let's see if D. Harrison, these and ones, you want to make sure you make it 3-pointer. You want to finish the play. Misses the free throw, but without a good box out, Central International gets the ball. Number 0, Jay Ellis, throws for the 3, but he misses. All right, we got number 6, Mason. He drives down the middle. Nice left-hand layup by number 6, Mason from the Wolves. All right, we have number 0 here. Passes it to number 2. Takes that 3. Caleb Montgomery with the rebound. Caleb's bringing the ball up. All right, I don't know what happened on that play. Looks like a turnover. Okay, Central International capitalized on the turnover and came right down the middle. But number, what was that? Number 0, Jay Ellis. All right. See, right now is the ball out. Refs are trying to figure out who's this going to. Looked like the ball was out on the Wolves. Wake County Academy trying to play some defense. Central International's bringing the ball up. Good spin move, but just didn't finish. Got to come in control and be ready for the contact. Caleb Williams looked for the pass, but was anticipated by number 3. Once again, D. Harrison. D. Harrison is back at the line again, shooting 2. He misses again, but got to bend those knees, I guess. See, all right, misses 1, makes 150%, I guess. All right, see Blackwell goes down the middle, gets a nice little drive. All right, was that a turnover or not? But when you go down that middle, you got to drive strong. The refs ain't gonna give you anything. All right, playing that defense. Nice little blow by. Deep corner. Transition defense for the Wolves. They got caught sleeping. And a great shot by Central International College. All right, Mason gets the ball. Backdoor cut. Didn't work. Amir drives down the middle. and one. You go down that middle. I'm glad he finished the shot, but he took a big bump there. But you got to be ready for the contact if you're going to go down the middle. Now he got to make these free throws. That's free money. When you're in the free throw line, that's free money right there. You got to make that. Jay Ellis gets out with the dish. Oh, nice ball movement here. Okay. With the three. Number 3 he's in the mix on the boards. Now he's shooting threes. D. Harrison. All right, Caleb gets the ball. Caleb Montgomery takes the nice jump shot. Oh, good shot. Good mid-range by Caleb Montgomery for Wake County Academy. They're going to need a lot more of him this game if they want to stay in it. All right. While we're here right now, okay, nice little cross. Down high low, backdoor cut wasn't there. Oh, good steal by Amir. That's great hustle. Wake County Academy gets a steal and a basket. That's called a double stat. Actually a triple. The other team turned it over. But Central International drove down low, but I guess the defender on his teammate didn't slide to where he thought he was going to be. All right, Wake County Academy is moving the ball left to right. Down in the post, Caleb Montgomery got it. What's he going to do with it? He's looking for a cutter. And a foul. Ball is going to be checked out. And Wake County Academy keeps the ball. See, Blackwell takes the 3. All right. Good pass. Wake County Academy is on the run. Mason goes down the middle. Ooh, nice block. Now, who was that? If I'm correct, that's number 2. F. Junior Johnson. If I'm calling his name right. First name, last name Johnson. All right, Mason takes the mid-range or 3. I couldn't really see where he was at. Air ball. He'll use his legs there, but Wake County Academy didn't box out. And number, if I'm correct, puts the ball back. Number 5. It's not even number 5. Number 2 again. Getting a rebound. Oh, good steal. But I think he stepped out of bounds there by Emmanuel Williams for Wake County Academy. We can give a little content about these two teams, why they're subbing in and out here. Number 1 comes in for that Jay Gibson. And as you see for Wake County Academy, everybody on this team, they're either in 10th or 11th. They only have 1 post-grad player, 2 post-grad players playing today. And that's Caleb Montgomery and number 20, Amir. All the rest of the guys, they got a long task ahead of them against Central International College. It's a good experience, though. Great shot by Emmanuel. He caught the defense slipping and they didn't get back. Good steal. Now it looked like Wake County is scrapping here. Foul called. All right, Emmanuel Williams got the ball. Sizing him up. Number 10, C. Blackwell. Oh. He called a foul there. Okay. So Wake County keeps the ball. All right, swings it left. Nice little curl movement. Caleb goes for the 3. All right, here's number 3 again. Oh. Almost lost the ball. Luckily, he got it back. Number 5, Jay Williams drives in. And he gets the foul call on Caleb Montgomery. He makes his, I like that. He makes his first free throw. Misses the second, but Wake County didn't box out. And once again, who is that? Number 3 again gets the rebound. But then he turns the ball over. One hand pass, 2 hands. I don't know what he did there. All right, we'll see what we got here. Okay, that could have been an and one. Good shot by Mason for Wake County Academy. Backdoor cut. Oh, and that was an and one by number 4, Vincent. In the last play before, I thought it was number 3, D. Harrison, crashing the boards, but now they got 2 big boys crashing the boards here. Wake County better start boxing out. Emmanuel's bringing the ball up. Good ball movement. Good ball movement by the Wolves. And that was a good shot. Oh, caught. Central International sleeping. And if I'm correct, that was Amir. Number 20. Crashing the boards with the good putback. That's kind of like some, I don't know if you guys like the Knicks. But the New York Knicks, Josh Hart. You know, every guard, I say, should play like him. I don't care who you are. Everybody, let's be honest, but why don't you want to go get rebounds? Or why don't you want to get assists? Just in general, let's get all right, what we see here, I think Caleb Montgomery is in foul trouble and he has to go to the bench. All right, Silas gets the ball. Oh, no, he didn't get the ball. No box out. From S. Murray. Today he's wearing number 16. In the Southeast Bible Belt Jamboree, hosted by U-NIQUE Scout Reports. Great drive by C. Blackwell. He's definitely a player to watch. If he gets his game, gets everything moving, gets everything going. It's either the refs. I guess a foul is a foul. But why not foul if you're not going to continuously? I think only 1 or 2 free throws is made so far, but you don't want to foul out the game. But he make the second one, so hey, a point's a point. All right, score now 17-17. Amir drives down the middle with the floater. Couldn't make the shot. I think he should have just took the drop step. And in some of the plays, when you know you're undersized, you just got to take what the defense gives you. That's what I would tell a player. You definitely got to work on your mid-range. Work on that mid-range. You know, something's going on here with the camera. Here we go. Back in focus. Oh, so Emmanuel Williams hits another three. So the score now 18, 20. So Wake County Academy's hanging in there. Oh, Emmanuel Williams again. With the three. I think that's so far 3 threes in the game today. All right, something's going on here. Look like a referee's call or something. I'm pretty sure it was a foul. Seems like that's what's been going on a lot here today. Okay. Number 0, which that is Jay Ellis, makes his first one. It makes the game 23-23. Oh, makes them both. 23-24. All right, Amir sees it, sizes him up, goes left. Oh, with the nice floater. Emmanuel Williams again. Showing us something today. Oh man, caught him sleeping back there. And most of the time, guys, you got to keep your defender out of the middle. Oh, good putback by who? Was that an and one? Yes, and one by C. Blackwell, number 10 for Wake County Academy. But back to the last play. If you don't keep your man out of the paint, no, I don't know what happened there. The ball went in. I think he smacked the backboard hard. Something happened there. But, oh, good D. You got to use your body. And your help defense, you got to stay on your man. All right, is that number 4? Vincent with the putback. Wake County has the ball. They're moving it from left to right. Not letting it stick. 27-29. Wake County Academy takes the 3. Who gets the rebound? Central International comes down with the rebound. And a lot of scrapping down there. Yeah, he got to go up stronger than that. He just threw that up. Even though if it was a foul, you drive down the middle, missing the whole rim. I really don't care what you do in basketball. I knew he was. Oh, nice strong move. Another foul. Wake County looks a little confused here. But that's a judgment call, guys. What you see and the ref see is 2 different things. But he drove in. And Vincent got to his spot before the defender did. And usually that's what creates a foul. If your feet are sliding on the drive, that's going to be a foul. So when you're playing basketball, you need to anticipate, is the player going left or right? Don't let him dictate where you're going. Looks like now 2 in a row. Okay, see Blackwell sizing him up. We have number 11, Logan, checking into the game. Logan Glover. And if I'm correct, Logan's a 10th grader or 11th grader. Don't let me get me wrong here. But like I told you guys before, everybody on Wake County, basically they're here to audition for a scholarship from Central International College. So they should know it's going to be a tough hill to try to beat more experienced players than themselves. All right, back on the fast break with the dish. Good D, good hustle, good bat. Central International going here, swinging it left. There's Vincent again, driving hard. That was a pretty good drive.